With the whole backlash against token maxing, can you talk about what should enterprise executive understand about why unlimited tokens never translated to unlimited results, and where does human review fit into that?
Oh my goodness. It really is funny to have watched people just decide they were going to hand engineers unlimited numbers of tokens and hope they would produce excellent results, or even results, period. It's, we use AI very deeply at RackN. And I can tell you that after the initial euphoria, people start realizing just how carefully you have to manage and guide those processes, how much you have to watch what those outputs are, because small decisions the AI make really snowball. And the challenge with unlimited tokens is that you have no feedback loop, you have no process controls in which to moderate, the AI making a decision, thinking it's right, and then driving very aggressively to build a lot of things around those failed assumptions. And AI really doesn't have the intuition to know which assumptions are good or bad. And so the challenge with unlimited tokens, even generous token loads, is that you encourage people to build on top of bad assumptions. And in best case scenario, you just end up rebuilding. And that's great. If you catch the assumptions, you rebuild and you rebuild and you rebuild, it's expensive. The worst case scenario is those assumptions end up embedded in your product ends up shipped to the customer, or business decisions get made with those assumptions embedded in, and then you're trying to recover. And so it's very expensive to allow AI to make assumptions that then get passed forward into your products and your business processes without that very careful check and watching the guardrails that you were talking about, the harnesses, the knowledge, right? One of the other things about token maxing is that people let the AI keep building on its own knowledge rather than making sure that you're surrounding it with documentation and business knowledge and standard operating procedures. All of those things can actually be put into the processes, but they have to be done very deliberately.